Learning gives us creativity. Creativity leads to thinking, and thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge make a great person. So good morning to one and all present here. My name is Pallavi, and today I am here to speak on a very wonderful topic that will given by the respected judges. So I kindly request them to give me a topic. Teachers are teachers are the precious gift in our life who guide us, motivate us to do a very, to start our own life, to make us even more confident and to make us even successful person. What I believe that teachers play a very important role in our life. Teachers are someone who can encourage us to be better. They shows us the right path to be successful in our life. Teachers not only teach us less like a subjects, physics, chemistry, and that one. They always teach us the moral values. They always teach us a lots of qualities such as a discipline, courage, kindness, and lots of things. What I believe that it is the precious gift given to all the students, as I know that now I am standing on the stage because of my teachers, parents, and even the Ajay sir and all personnel team. What I believe that they make me more confident, so we should be always thankful to them, and we should always value them. We cannot we cannot pay the written what have they done so far for us, but we can respect them. We can give lots of values to them in our life. And many of the great leaders have considered the role model of teachers in their life. Why? Because they make them even successful, because they make them even confident. So last I want to say that teachers are one who can make us more confident, who can make us more successful. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's great.
Yes, Pallavi. According to you, a teacher is someone who holds a degree or someone who is around you all the time, like nature, your parents, a child, or anyone.
Yes, that you are telling that they are someone who always stand behind us in every situation like that. Means if you are telling that they provide us lots of quality, they make us to know about discipline and hard working and lots of things. So as sir said that AI can also make us more even knowledgeable, but what I believe that they also may know about that the moral values we actually need in life.
Okay, Pallavi, everyone has their own favorite teacher. So let us know about your favorite teacher.
My favorite teachers, you know what? Everyone, those who became teacher in my life, they provide a lots of efforts to make me or lots of a student to be a better successful. But what I believe that there should not be any favoritism. You know what? The teacher intention is that they will have to make their children even confident. And favoritism in any schools mostly it happens. Like we will find that how many of the students actually consider their teacher as a favorite. But what I believe that there should not be just like a favoritism, because they all make efforts to make us more confident and even more successful.
That is called the diplomatic answer.
Yes.
Because all her teachers are sitting over here,
Yes,
standing
she
over
doesn't
here,
want
and
to
she cannot displease anyone. And that's why in a diplomatic way she answered. That's called the actual answer. It's right.
Yes. Any question?
Excellent.
बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए next we have